Welcome to my home studio. My name is Don Cadoret. I'm a story painter from Tiverton, Rhode Island, and I'd like to show you what I think a story is. I enjoy always telling a story and obsessive paintings because I would sit and work on the coloring books and redraw the lines, and my mother would give me paint by number sets, and of course I just had to change all the colors, paint the lines out and try to blend it so it would look like a painting and not like a paint by numbers. I like there to be a backstory for people to understand. They can interpret it to their own. I don't really force it on them unless they ask me what it's about. I might tell them. I rarely work from sketches, although I sketch quite a bit. I like painting on wood because it gives a good smooth finish. These are tactile for me, and I want people to feel the paintings. 99% of my work is done with small brushes. And I use watercolor brushes because they hold the line better for what I'm trying to achieve. This center spot here where this B is, that will probably be where the eye rests. There will be no other detail. And to get away with my desire to want to add a lot more detail to it, I make it tone on tone. What do I really want to do with these gold things? This is a Pachisi board, and this is where you come home into the center. So I really want to do something, make this more elaborate in here. By being involved with SCA, it forced me out to the community, to meet new people, to help my art, I think, grow. I enjoyed it very much.